Hi students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. Yes, students, we will continue with our chapter 2 is Introduction to Windows XP, and this is our session 2. In this chapter, we are going to discuss the next 4 topics, that is understanding the taskbar, log off or switch users, turn off and restart, Windows XP bars and buttons. Yes, first 6 topics we have already discussed. So now we'll continue with our understanding the taskbar. Understanding the taskbar. See, at down can you see start button? Until the end, the blue color bar at bottom till the date and time. Yes, so this area is called the taskbar. So what are things under taskbar? Start button. Can you see start button? Yes. Next, can you see quick launch toolbar? So what is a quick launch toolbar? This is also a icons. Yes. Can you see my computer, Internet Explorer? Same way you can keep any shortcut icons over here also. Yes. So for easy access, that is called as quick launch toolbar. When you click an icon in this toolbar, yes, it will open very quick. Yes, that's why we say it as the quick launch toolbar. Right. Next, come to the end. Can you find notification area? Yes. For example, any mail for you. Yes. Or system, is there any virus? Or next, any information about extra devices. So everything will be notified in this notification area. Yes. At last, can you find date and time? Yes. So these are the 3 things under taskbar. So what are the things are there? One is start menu. Next is quick launch toolbar. Third one is notification area. So which is called as taskbar? The small blue bar is at the bottom of your desktop is called as your taskbar. Yes, now you can see to the definition. So the taskbar is the small blue bar you see at the bottom of your desktop. It contains start menu, quick launch toolbar and notification area. So quick launch toolbar contains the icons. Any doubt, students? Clear? So what is the taskbar? The small blue bar which we see at the bottom of the desktop is called as the taskbar. Next, log off and switch users. So when you click start, there is an option called as log off. Yes. When you click log off, you can see this window, log off window comes. In that there are 2 options available. One is switch user, another one is log off. Okay. So what happens switch user? That is, for example, if there are 2 users in that computer. Yes, you can log off one user and you can log in another user. So anytime any user can switch between them. Yes. Next is log off. All the application will close and you can log off and come outside. So this is a process of log off. So switch user allows other user to log in. Log off, your application will close. Clear, students? Next, how to turn off and restart. Same way, click start. Yes, select turn off. Next, in the start menu, you can see the dialog box appears. It contains standby, turn off and restart. So if you give turn off, the computer entirely gets off. If you give restart, the computer get off and again it gets resumes to on mode. Clear? Yes, it restarts again. Yes, right. Next is the Windows XP bars and buttons. Students, can you see this window clearly? Yes. First, can you find the title bar? Yes. You know what is taskbar? The bottom blue line. See, whenever you open any application, yes, for example, Paint or game or any WordPad or Word document, anything else, at the top can you see with the name of that software is that bar is called, that blue bar at the top is called as the title bar. Yes. Below the title bar is the menu bar. File, edit, view, insert, format, can you see? So these are called as menu bars. Below that there are small icons like pictures. Can you see? So this third line is called the toolbar. Yes, title bar. Below the title bar we have menu bar. Below the menu bar we have toolbar. Clear for you? Yes. At the bottom there is another one bar which is called as status bar. Yes, which indicates the status of an application. Clear, students? This is the status bar. So what are the four bars here? Title bar, menu bar, toolbar, status bar. Status bar is at the bottom of the application. Clear? Next, there are some control buttons. Can you see at the top right? Minimize, maximize, close. Yes, minus like symbol which indicates minus. Square like symbol which indicates maximize. Cross symbol which indicates close. Yes, these are very important regarding Windows bars and buttons. Clear for you? Yes, title bar, menu bar, toolbar, status bar. Minimize, maximize, close. Next, we'll come to the one more questions. The dash, the horizontal bar at the bottom top of the window. The dash is the below the title bar. The box on the right side is called the dash. I think you can find the answer for everything. Yes. Here comes the answers. Right? Note down. Next is the 2 mark question. For everything you can find the answer in the same video. Yes. Study thoroughly and post back in your corresponding group. Hey students, thank you. Bye bye.